Wars don't start on the battlefield. They start in warehouses, on railroads, at ports. By the time the first shot is fired, the winner is often already decided.
Most people imagine brave soldiers, smart generals, better weapons. Those matter, but none of them work without supply.
A supply line is everything behind the front: food, fuel, ammo, spare parts. Break it and the army stops.
Soldiers don't march on courage alone. They march on calories, on fuel, on replacement boots. No supply means no movement.
Napoleon in Russia, Germany in World War II, Japan in the Pacific. All ran out of supply first. The enemy didn't defeat them. Logistics did.
Smart commanders don't aim for soldiers first. They aim for railways, fuel depots, ports. Destroy the supply, the front collapses.
Strong supply lines allow constant attacks, heavy firepower, quick recovery. Weak supply forces caution and retreat.
Factories matter more than heroes. If you can replace tanks faster than the enemy can destroy them, you win. Time favors industry. Hungry soldiers lose hope. Cold soldiers lose discipline. Well-supplied soldiers keep fighting. Morale rides on logistics.
Defeat doesn't feel dramatic. It feels quiet. Fewer shells, less fuel, longer waits. That's when commanders know. If your supply lines are strong, you can lose battles and still win wars. If they fail, no bravery can save you. The first shot is just the confirmation.